Welcome to Excel World. In this video, we will learn about Excel Backstage View. Backstage View is the area where files and data about them are managed, creating, saving, printing, sending to others, inspecting for hidden metadata or personal information, and setting options. The ribbon contains the set of commands for working in a workbook, while the Microsoft Office Backstage View is the set of commands you use to do things to a workbook. How to access Backstage View? Access to Backstage can be done by following steps as follows. Open a workbook. Click the File tab. Info. The info pane will appear whenever you access Backstage View. It contains information about the current workbook. New. From here, you can create a new blank workbook or choose from a large selection of templates. Open. From here, you can open recent workbooks, as well as workbooks saved to your OneDrive or on your computer. Save and save as. Use Save and Save As to save your workbook to your computer or to your OneDrive. Print. From the Print pane, you can change the print settings and print your workbook. You can also see a preview of your workbook. Share. From here, you can invite people to view and collaborate on your workbook. You can also share your workbook by emailing it as an attachment. Export. You can choose to export your workbook in another format, such as PDF XPS or Excel 1997 to 2003. Publish. Here, you can publish your workbook to Power BI, Microsoft's cloud sharing service for Excel workbooks. Account. From the Account pane, you can access your Microsoft account information, modify your theme and background, and sign out of your account. Options. Here, you can change various Excel options settings and language preferences. Tip. To quickly return to your workbook from Backstage View, click the back arrow at the top left side of the Backstage View window. Thank you for watching. Sharing is caring. See you all in the next video.